here right quick just with my IG family, and I am fulfilling something that we have going on in one of our groups. We have a little bit of challenges going on, making sure we share quick tips when it comes to the Amazing Savvy Minerals line. If you guys have not seen any of my videos about the importance of toxic-free makeup, make sure you get on YouTube, follow, subscribe, and start watching some of those videos about the dangers in lipstick, the dangers in all the things that can be hiding in our makeup, because it is so super important when we start to clean up our diet and our health that we also clean up the things that we put on our bodies as well. As a person that had lots of hormone issues and seen everyone around me that is relatively young in their 30s having hormone issues, I know that if we start to clean up all these things that we can get better. But with that, so what we're just doing is sharing a few hot tips. And so some people do not know the awesome versatility that there is in mineral makeup. And so today I'm actually going to be doing a lot of talking. You guys know I don't wear makeup usually when I'm at work. However, because I'm going to be doing a lot of talking, I am going to do my lips. And so I have heart-shaped lips. My bottom lip is just a little bit bigger. And I love the way that it looks, so I don't do anything to minimize it whatsoever. But even with mineral makeup, you can create a lip liner. So I have this tool here that is called a smudger. I don't remember where I got it from or when I got it, but it's called a smudger. So I have my multitasker here, which is a dark brown. We also have different ones. I already wet this just with normal water. I rub the smudger in, and then I line my lips. And because my lower lip is a little bit bigger, I do a little bit extra, and I do it a little bit more pointy on my top lip. So our amazing mineral makeup can still create an amazing lip liner for you. And this is a tool that I use in order to do that. And then I will just put on lipstick on top of that, very simply and easily. And you could just blot and use that, but I love shiny. You guys know I love shiny things if you watch me. So I put a little bit of lip gloss on the inside. So that is the quick and easy way that I do my lipstick. So this is Maven, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I think this is Maven. And this is Uptown Girl. So the purplish one I put on is Uptown Girl. And then I'm pretty sure that this is Maven lip gloss. Yes, and this is Maven lip gloss. So multitasker with the smudger, a little bit of Uptown Girl, and then some Maven. And we do like that, and we're all ready to go so that my lips look wonderful and attractive when I get to talk today. The other thing that you could do if you wanted to make your lips look a little bit more even is that you could blot a little bit on the inside of the top lip and add like some matte eyeshadow in order to make it look a little bit more fuller. So, but again, I love the way that my lips look. I love having a fuller bottom lip. I think it's cute. So I leave it as is. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Have an amazing day. Bye.